Welcome, today I'm with HUAWEI Nova 8i and I'll show you how to check your battery temperature on this device. So first, just go to the app gallery and here in the search pool just type the Ampere. So at the moment we have to get this application. Tap do analysis again, continue, and now we have to wait. Tap to download. We have to wait a few seconds while this application is downloaded. So now don't ask me again, tap to allow and to install. So our application is successfully downloaded and now we can see that. Now just tap to the application, tap yes I agree, to close, and now here on the left down corner just tap to the OK, and here you can see all of information about your battery. So like that's 32.5, the model of your phone, the health of your battery, and your Android version, and a lot more information. So that's it. If you like this video, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.